So if girls think that boys have a very good deal, let me tell you, they are not allowed to be weak, they are not allowed to cry, they are not allowed to be fearful, they are not allowed to be emotional. So they are also in a pretty restrictive environment, because the moment any batchmate, classmate, family members, cousins find a hint of weakness in a boy, the first thing that starts is bullying. If they do not earn, they cannot earn the respect in a family system. It is acceptable by society, if they are dominating. Movies dekh lo, movies are the picture of society. तो हीरो क्या बोलता है, तुम बाहर नहीं जाओगी, तुम उस लड़के से बात नहीं करोगी. Simple domination. Men are ready to take risk. Men are trained to be courageous. If in a day, if there is a boy and a girl, both are fearful of darkness, mothers generally or fathers generally take their daughters and say, oh mera beta dar gaya, and immediately they will tell their son, डरना क्या होता है, क्यों डर रहे हो तुम, भागो यहाँ से, जाओ जाके देख कर आओ क्या है वहां पे, ऐसा क्या हो गया. Immediately they propel their sons to go in the dark, you know, because fearfulness is not considered a good quality in males. So we can say they are trained to be courageous. Trained to be courageous, because if they are not courageous, they are laughed at. अरे डर गया, लड़का होके डर गया, लड़का होके डर गया, ऐसे कैसे डर गया, कल को तुम्हें तो सबको हिम्मत देनी है, तुम कैसे डर गए, है ना. So they are not allowed to. So if girls think that boys have a very good deal, let me tell you, they are not allowed to be weak, they are not allowed to cry, they are not allowed to be fearful, they are not allowed to be emotional, they are not allowed to be expressedly jovial, they are not allowed to be vulnerable. So they are also in a pretty restrictive environment, because the moment any batchmate, classmate, family members, cousins find a hint of weakness in a boy, the first thing that starts is bullying. अरे वो देखो लड़की की तरह रोता है, लड़की की तरह रोता है. Immediately the bullying starts. And even if that boy wants to maintain the what do you say, dignity, self-respect, he cannot do that until and unless he adopts to the social norm of being courageous. तो उसको चाहे डर लग रहा हो, बुरी हालत हुई भी हो, रोने का मन कर रहा हो, but he cannot, because the moment he does that, he will be called a coward. People will start making fun of him. Simple. So there are a lot of things that boy is not allowed to. Even if the boy wants that you know, I want to cook one day, I want to cook according to my own wishes. In most families, in some family it is okay, but in most families it is not allowed. Mom will take it on her ego. मेरा बेटा किचन में जाएगा, किचन में. So this means that there are certain professions boy cannot take up. If supposedly a boy feels like that he would like to wear certain colors like pink, Now it is okay. Nowadays it is okay. But earlier, अगर एक दिन किसी लड़के का मन करे कि मतलब मैं I want to wear a particular piece of jewelry, can the boy wear? No, he doesn't want to wear simple shirt and pant. He wants to wear something else, more innovative. Allowed? Ranveer Singh. So, देखो, what you have done with Ranveer Singh? You people have typed him, stereotyped him, no? This means that society doesn't accept moving away from that frame of boy that has been set. And if the boy also tries to move away from that frame, he will not be respected and he will be made fun of till the time he forcefully, unwillingly comes back to the frame. Example, if supposedly a boy doesn't like cricket, he rather likes to play doll house, whatever, जो भी गेम होता है वो, बारबी, मुझे पता नहीं, किचन सेट, आई डोंट नो, मतलब ठीक है, किचन जो भी होता है, ठीक है, जो टाइप है गर्ल्स के लिए, है ना, ही वांट्स टू प्ले किचन सेट. और रैदर थोड़ा और बड़ा बच्चा ले लेते हैं, छोटे बच्चों को छोड़ दो. So he doesn't like to play cricket and watch cricket. Rather, he wants to watch cooking show. Cooking show, है ना? Immediately, what will happen? Bullying starts. अरे यार, देखो कैसा लड़का है. कुकिंग देखेगा, कुकिंग कुकिंग. क्रिकेट नहीं पसंद इसे, क्रिकेट नहीं पसंद. और फिर सब लोग जाएंगे, अरे आपको पता है उसे क्रिकेट नहीं पसंद, आपको पता है उसे 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 कुकिंग शो पसंद है. And till the time he gets a scolding from his parents or he is forced to pull back his image, and he till the time he doesn't say हाँ मुझे क्रिकेट पसंद है, तब तक उसका क्या कहते हैं, हैरेसमेंट बंद नहीं होगा. And can a boy afford not to earn? If a boy doesn't earn, he is treated nearly like a, you all know, क्या क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग, क्या पीछे गुटर गु कर रहे हो, हाँ, बेरोजगार है. चूड़ियां पहन लो, चूड़ियां पहन लो. ओके ओके ओके. So they are termed in that sense, and there is a burden on of earning. If they do not earn, they cannot earn the respect in a family system, traditional family system. They cannot earn a respect till now. अभी तक ऐसा माना जाता रहा है. Now things are changing, of course, and it is like they are also burdened with certain responsibilities in a family. Everything that happens to parents, everything that happens to wives, everything that happens to kids, responsibility financially and physically to support comes on the shoulders of male. And supposedly they are in certain pain, they are vulnerable in any situation, they cannot go to ask help, because asking help is already termed as against masculinity. तो कहते ना मर जाएंगे लेकिन झुकेंगे नहीं, सुना है ऐसे कहते हुए? हाँ, हीरो कहता है मूवी में, हाँ हाँ, पुष्पा मूवी, झुकेगा नहीं, हाँ वही वही वही, यस यस अतुल, यस आई गॉट इट। हाँ, क्या है क्या है, क्या कैसे करते हैं वो? ओके, तो समझ में आया? तो द मस्कुलिनिटी इज अ सोशल कॉन्सेप्ट and this society has created a particular framework, and if you go out of framework, society will punish. They will, how do they punish? Number one, treating you different. सबके साथ अच्छे से बात कर रहे हैं, तुम आए तो you feel awkward, and we have a very important urge of blending. अगर कोई व्यक्ति आए और वो ब्लेंड इन नहीं हो रहा, that person will start feeling awkward. Psychological है. We all have need of blending in. That is why we all wear same clothes, similar clothes, same नहीं, similar clothes in a particular format. कभी ऐसे किसी ने बोला कि नहीं नहीं हम तो किसी और स्टाइल के कपड़े पहनकर आएंगे क्योंकि अलग दिखेंगे तो people will not accept, society will not accept. That is why we come in the similar attire. अच्छा देखो, किसी ने कुछ और पहन रखा है क्या? टी शर्ट, शर्ट, पैंट, जीन्स, सूट, साड़ी, जैकेट के अलावा? नो, ऑल इन द सेम? किसी के पास करेज है कुछ और पहन कर आने का? क्यों हंस रहे हो तुम लोग? क्या पहन कर आना चाह रहे हो? तो अरे यार, ये कंफ्यूजन है तुम लोगों में। ये नहीं ना, दैट इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग ना, सोसाइटी विल फिक्स अ ड्रेस कोड, फिक्स अ ड्रेस कोड, ठीक है? So this means that even male are restricted by the social image.